My mom thinks my daughter is too boyish. I have an 8-year-old daughter who just started at a new school. She's doing great except for one big problem, my super involved family. My mom and older sister love being part of the school. They volunteer for everything like bake sales and helping out during lunch, but they've always had strong opinions about how I raise my daughter, and now that they're involved in her school, it's gotten worse. At first it was small stuff like swapping out her snacks because they thought fruit roll-ups weren't healthy. That was annoying but not a big deal. Then they started showing up at recess, making her play with kids she didn't like so she could make more friends. One time my mom made her hand out homemade motivational cards to every kid in her class. My daughter was so embarrassed. The worst part? They pulled her out of gym class without telling me because they thought dodgeball was too rough for girls. Instead, they signed her up for a knitting club. My daughter was upset and crying because she loves dodgeball, but my mom told her it was unladylike. I'd had enough. I went to the principal and asked for a rule that my family can't interfere with anything at school without my permission. The principal agreed, and now they can't change my daughter's activities, lunch, or anything else. Now my mom and sister are calling me bad parents.